Good morning. Today we are going to discuss formula of s plus s, s minus s, c plus c, c minus c. But first of all, recall the formula of 2ss, 2sc, 2cc and 2cs. So recall first formula 2sc, that means 2 times sin A into cos B is equal to sin into bracket A plus B plus sin into bracket A minus B. Second formula 2 times cos A into sin B is equal to sin into bracket A plus B minus sin into bracket A minus B. Third formula 2 times cos A into cos B is equal to cos into bracket A plus B plus cos into bracket A minus B. And fourth formula 2 times sin A into sin B is equal to first we can written here minus sign and after we can written plus sign. So cos into bracket A minus B minus cos into bracket A plus B. Okay. Now related to this formula, discuss one example. Find the value of 1 upon 2 times sine 10 degree minus 2 times sine 70 degree. So our question is find the value of this data. So first of all, here we can take LCM of this term. So our LCM term is 2 sine 10 degree. So first of all written 2 times sine 10 degree. Now in second term LCM term is not present, that means in denominator 2 times sine 10 degree is not present. So 2 times sine 10 degree multiply with 2 sine 70 degree. So here we can written 1 minus 2 into bracket 2 times sine 70 degree into sine 10 degree. Now after here apply the identity 2ss, that means c minus c. So is equal to 1, formula number 4 here using. So 1 minus 2 into bracket cos. Now first we can apply minus sign and after another bracket we can written plus sign. So 70 degree minus 10 degree, in between minus sign, cos 70 degree plus 10 degree bracket over upon, in denominator term here we can written 2 times sine 10 degree is equal to 1 minus 2 into bracket cos 70 degree minus 10 degree, that means cos 60 degree minus cos 80 degree upon 2 times sine 10 degree. Now we know that the value of cos 60 degree, that means 1 by 2, and cos 80 degree. So we know that one result cos theta is equal to sin 90 minus theta. So here cos 80 degree in place of, using by this result, theta in place of, here we can consider 80 degree, and cos 60 value is present in trigonometry table. So here we can written is equal to 1 minus 2 into bracket 1 by 2 minus sine into bracket 90 minus 80 upon, in denominator term you can return same term 2 times sine 10 degree. Now sine 90 minus 80, that means sine 10 degree, so is equal to 1 minus, now 2 here 2 term is present in bracket and outside 2 is present, so 2 multiply in both these term, so 2 into 1 by 2 minus minus plus 2 sine 10 degree upon, in denominator term also written 2 times sine 10 degree, so is equal to 2 cancel, so remaining term 1 minus 1 and 1 minus 1 again cancel out this term, so only remaining term 2 times sine 10 degree upon 2 times sine 10 degree, and both these terms same, so cancel out, so here we get answer 1. Okay, now today our topic is discuss the formula of s plus s, s minus s. So first of all discuss the formula of s plus s, that means sine a plus sine b. Otherwise we can also consider sine x plus sine y. So our first formula, sine into bracket a plus sine into bracket b. Otherwise sine a plus sine b, we can also written both this way. So is equal to 2 times sine into bracket a plus b, means add both this term, divide by 2 into cos a minus b divided by 2. Second formula, sine a minus sine b, sine a minus sine b, so is equal to 2 times, now here sine a plus sine b, so first position is sine and after cos, but here sine a minus sine b, so interchange the position, here sine in place of written cos and cos in place of written sine, remaining term same, so 2 into cos in bracket a plus b divided by 2 into sine into bracket a minus b divided by 2. Third formula, cos a plus cos b. So in both the side cos form is present, so we can written this way, 2 times cos a plus b divided by 2 into cos a minus b divided by 2. Next one, cos a minus cos b, so is equal to here we can written minus 2 times sine into bracket a plus b divided by 2 into sine bracket a minus b divided by 2. Now how can we remember this formula? So first of all, again same method. Here first term is s and here second term is again s. So short form is s plus s is equal to 2sc. In first bracket always a plus b divided by 2, and in second bracket remember always a minus b divided by 2 in all these four formula. Now in second formula, s first term is s, second term is s, so s in between minus sign, so s minus s is equal to interchange the position 2cs. Third formula, c plus c. So c plus c is equal to 2 times cos cos. So 2 times c. That means c plus c is equal to 2cc. And last one, c minus c is equal to minus 2ss. So short form of this formula, s plus s is equal to 2sc, s minus s is equal to 2cs, c plus c is equal to 2cc, and c minus c is equal to minus 2ss. In first bracket, a plus b divided by 2, and in second bracket a minus b divided by 2, common in all these four formula. Okay. Now, related to this formula, discuss some example. So, our first example, first question, sine 7 theta plus sine 3 theta. So, first decide which formula apply here. So, in both this term SS form is present, so here apply first formula, s sin a plus sin b, that means s plus s is equal to 2sc formula apply here. So a we can consider in form of 7 theta and b we can consider in form of 3 theta. So 7 theta we can consider a, 3 theta we can consider b. Now apply first formula, so is equal to, here we can return 2 times sine into bracket a plus b divided by 2 into cos into bracket a minus b divided by 2. Now our a and b is 7 theta and 3 theta. So now substitute the value of a and b in place of 7 theta and 3 theta. So 2 times sine into bracket 7 theta plus 3 theta divided by 2 into cos bracket 7 theta minus 3 theta divided by 2 is equal to 2 times sine 7 theta plus 3 theta, that means 10 theta divided by 2. So 2 times sine 5 theta into cos 7 theta minus 3 theta, that means 4 theta, and 4 theta divided by 2. So here we can return cos 2 theta. Next question. Sine 3 theta minus sine 5 theta. So first of all decide here which formula using. So s minus s form is present, and s minus s, that means 2cs formula using here. So again 3 theta we can consider in form of a and 5 theta we can consider in form of b. So is equal to 2 times first c, that means cos into bracket a plus b divided by 2, that means 3 theta plus 5 theta divided by 2 into second bracket sine, right, here sine form is present, so in bracket 3 theta minus 5 theta divided by 2. So is equal to 2 times cos 5 theta plus 3 theta, that means 8 theta divided by 2 means 4 theta, into sine into bracket 3 theta minus 5 theta means minus 2 theta divided by 2 means here we can written sine into bracket minus theta. But again we know that one result, sine into bracket minus theta is equal to minus sine theta. So here sine into bracket minus theta form is present, so minus sign we can written outside. So our final answer minus 2 cos 4 theta into sine theta. Next one, cos 11 theta plus cos 9 theta. So again here apply the identity, c plus c is equal to 2cc. So is equal to cos into bracket, first of all here we can return 2 into cos into bracket 11 theta plus 9 theta divided by 2 into cos into bracket 11 theta minus 9 theta divided by 2 is equal to 2 cos 11 theta plus 9 theta 20 theta divided by 2, that means 10 theta, into cos 11 theta minus 9 theta, that means 2 theta divided by 2. So here remaining term is cos theta. So our answer is 2 cos 10 theta into cos theta. Now next question. Cos 5 theta minus cos 11 theta. Minus cos 11 theta. So here c minus c form is present and c minus c, that means minus 2 ss identity apply here. So is equal to minus 2 times sine into bracket 5 theta plus 11 theta divided by 2 into sine into bracket 5 theta minus 11 theta divided by 2. So is equal to minus 2 times sine 11 theta plus 5 theta, that means 16 theta divided by 2, that means sine 8 theta. Now here 5 theta minus 11 theta means minus 6 theta divided by 2, that means here remaining term sine into bracket minus 3 theta. But we know that sine into bracket minus theta is equal to minus sine theta, and here sine into bracket minus 3 theta form is present, so minus sign we can return outside, but already one minus sign present outside, so minus minus plus. So our final answer 2 times sine 8 theta into sine 3 theta. Next one, people, sine theta plus 1. So now our identity s plus s, s minus s, c plus c, c minus c, but in this question on sine theta plus 1 is present. So here using by the value of trigonometry table 1 in place of, we can return here 2 value. uh, cos 0, value of cos 0 is 1 and sin 90 value is 1, but here we can return cos 0, so sin s plus c means sin theta plus cos formula is not present, so here compulsory we can return 1 in place of sin 90 degree, because the value of sin 90 degree is equal to 1. Now 90 degree in place of we can return radian form, so we can return here pi by 2 also, so return here sin theta plus sin pi by 2, right? 90 degree in radian form is pi by 2, so here we can return sin pi by 2. Now after here apply the identity s plus s, and s plus s, that means 2sc, so here apply the identity, so is equal to 2 times sine into bracket theta plus pi by 2 upon 2 into cos into bracket theta minus pi by 2 upon 2 is equal to 2 times sine into bracket here 2 multiply in both these, means here division form is present, so divide by this term, so in first term theta by 2. Now here already in denominator 2 is present and 2 multiply, so pi by 4. Now in case of second term, same way we can return cos into bracket theta upon 2 minus pi by 4. Okay, so here 1 is present, so first of all check out, here two possibilities present, here we can return cos 0 and sin 90, but here we can return cos 0, so formula we can here not present, so we cannot apply return here cos 0, so that's why compulsory we can return sin 90 degree, that means sin pi by 2. Okay, now one more question. Cos theta plus sin theta. So again here problem is here, c plus s formula is not present, so how can we solve in this situation? So we know that sin theta is equal to cos pi by 2 minus theta. We know that this result, that means sin theta is equal to cos 90 minus theta. Okay, same way here cos theta form is present, so cos theta in place of also we can return sin 90 minus theta, means any one term change here, here cos theta form is present plus sin theta, so formula is not present, so that's why sin theta in place of using by this result, and we can convert into cos theta plus cos theta, cos form, that means c plus c form, so cos theta plus sin theta in place of written cos pi by 2 minus theta. Now here apply the identity c plus c, and c plus c, that means 2cc, so is equal to 2 times cos into bracket theta plus pi by 2 minus theta divided by 2 into cos bracket theta minus into bracket pi by 2 minus theta divided by 2. See here plus sign is present, so that's why here we can return directly pi by 2 minus theta, but in between minus sign is present, so and here 2 term is present, so that's why compulsory here we can return bracket. Okay, now in next step open this bracket and simplify this term, so is equal to 2 times cos Now here theta cancel out. Here plus theta minus theta term cancel out. So remaining term pi by 2 upon 2, that means cos pi by 4 into cos. Now here open this bracket. So minus minus plus theta, theta plus theta, that means 2 theta minus pi by 2 upon 2. Okay, now the value of cos pi by 4. So the value of cos pi by 4 is 1 by under root 2. And here divide by 2. So cos into bracket 2 theta. Here in numerator total 2 term is present. And LCM same in both these terms. So divide by these terms. So 2 theta by 2, that means theta, minus pi by 2 by 2, that means pi by 4. Now 2 upon under root 2. So here we can written in numerator under root 2. Right? 2 in place of we can written under root 2 into under root 2. Because denominator term under root form is present. So that's why 2 in place of we can written under root 2 under root 2. And 1 under root 2 cancel out. So remaining term under root 2 into cos theta minus pi by 4. We can also written this way, under root 2 cos into bracket pi by 4 minus theta, because cos into bracket minus theta is equal to cos theta. So using by this result, we can also written in both this way, because here a minus sign we can take common in this bracket, but cos minus theta is equal to cos theta. So we get final answer under root 2 cos into bracket pi by 4 minus theta.